Hi, today I'm cash stuffing my Christmas binder, and I'm hot. I just did the grocery haul, and I'm now doing my Christmas. But I have 50, I'm not going to count it because there's a lot of ones. But, well, here's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and then ones. And first, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start back here because I didn't get to do these ones last time. So I'm gonna start with Merry Christmas from Mindy's Budgeting, and I'm gonna put 7. So 5, 6, 7. And then this one's I made this last year. Merry Catmas. And I just scratched this one. $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next is Eleanor's Snowman, and we'll go with this one. $3. And let's see. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do one more because this one has more, and I need to save. I'm trying to save by either Halloween or October 20th. So 6. Because I like to start shopping November 1st. Well, in November, early November. 5, 6. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then this one is from Trace Lane, her Etsy shop. And what I'm doing is once I finish a challenge, I'm going to roll it into here. So I'm not going to do this one today. And then we'll start back at the front with Build It Big Budgets. 1, 2, and then we'll do this one. $5. So 5. And then next up is Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting. And I think that's a 1. Yeah, $1. And then this one's Eleanor's Other Snowman. And we'll just do 1 on here. $6. 5, 1, and 1 is 6. And then this one is DIY Budgets. It's just Diva's Budgeting on YouTube. And on this one I'm rolling my 3-sided die. 3. Let's try the red. So 1, 2, 3. I might need to make change. I just ran out of the ones. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make change. Let me see if I can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. Nope. Five, 6, 7, 8. So I did that one. Let's just keep going. Okay, next up is the Budgeting Sisters, Little Drummer Boy. And I'm gonna do 3 today. So 2, 4, 6. 5 and 1. Let's see. And then this one's from Bookish Mama Budgets. Seven. 5, 6, 7, and I have $2 left. So let me see if I have another one that has low. I'm gonna just put 2 in here. That one was 3, it's not showing up. I'll put 2 here. And that's all the money. And I'll be back Sunday, probably, oh, I'm not sure. I'll be back in another video in probably a couple of days. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye.